Dear students, welcome to my channel. My name is Krishna, your BBS trainer. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate this podium column rings. So here we are having total 19 number of circular columns and 12 number of 300 by 600 column and 1 number of 300 by 550 column. This is the our total number of podium columns we are having in this project. So out of all this rectangular column and circular column, I want to already I explained this rectangular column ring calculation formulas, and I want to explain to you only this circular column ring, how to calculate this circular ring formulas. So here our column dia is 450 mm, and then if it is 450 mm, then the radius will be half of that 225 mm. So what we have to calculate the radius up to the center of our ring. So to calculate the center of our ring, what is the formula? This is the R is equal to 181. So how this 181 comes? This radius is equal to this center radius minus 1 cover minus half of our ring dia. Then that is equal to half of the column diameter is means radius is 225 minus cover is 40 mm minus 8 divided by 2. 8 is our ring dia. So then this simplification is 181 is the radius of round column ring dia. Then cutting length is equal to, you know, this circle perimeter formula is 2 pi r. Then we have to take this 2 pi r. R is equal to this radius plus hook length 2 hook minus bend deduction. Then cutting length is equal to 2 pi r plus 2 into 10d minus 2 into 3d. 3d is the 135 degree bend coefficient. This is the radius formula, and this is the ring cutting length formula for circular column. So this is the rectangular column. This for this rectangular column we are having outer ring and diamond ring and hooks only. So to learn these formulas, you can go and check this ID card. You will come to know what are the formulas are required to calculate this outer ring, diamond ring and hooks and all. You can learn in this video. So we will start this rectangular columns first. So let me show how to calculate, how to create the tabular column for this calculation of this ring. So already we have learned this podium columns, this tower columns from footing to ground floor, and this tower column rings from footing to ground floor. Then all other upper floor column main rods and respectively rings also we have learned. So in this what we will do, this ring calculation from footing to ground floor is there, no? This footing to ground floor is there, no? That I am going to create this tab in one more file. So I will create the tab and give OK. Then one more tab will create. Just move this tab into this podium column and name this as podium rings. This is podium rings. So in the heading also you can change it as podium ring quantity. This is podium ring quantity or podium column ring quantity. So here keep one column detail as it is and remove all other columns. I'm going to delete all other columns. I am going to keep this one column detail as it is. So here I will start the rectangular column. So how many rectangular columns of 300 by 600 is there? You can see this is the total our podium column PC 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. So total 12 number of 300 by 600 column is there. If you want, you can write all those column names from PC 16 to PC 28, how many numbers are there. So here outer ring, center ring and diamond ring and hook, and here in this there is no center ring. You can take out the center ring or you can change that color and you can keep it or you can delete it. So here the number of columns you can give 0 and number of ring you can give 0. So then that value will not come. So total how many number of columns are there? So total 12 number of columns are there. Enter this 12 number of columns. And number of rings. How many number of rings over there here? You see, these are the number of rings you have to take. This is one outer ring and two diamond ring and two hook is there. So there is no center ring. One outer ring, two diamond ring and two hook. Next, what is the column size? Column size is 600 by 300. This is also 600, 600, 600, and width is 300. And the column height has to be taken from our podium column. This PC16, how much you have calculated? This is 3200, means 3.2 is equal to 3200. 3200. Next, 135 degree bend for outer ring is 2 number and 90-degree bend is 3 number, and there is no center ring, and diamond ring 135 degree is 4 number and there is no 90-degree bend, and for the hook also only 2 number of 135-degree bend, there is no 90-degree bend, and dia of the ring is total 8 mm, and this centering make it 0. And this center column rod is also it will not come. This will be useful for centering only, and the clear cover is 40 mm and the spacing is 200 mm, and this diamond ring hypotenuse side, this is the 195 mm, this diamond ring hypotenuse side, that you will understand from this column diamond ring value. This is the diamond ring value I have calculated. This is the 195, that 195 mm I am taking standard. And there is no diamond ring space, this is also not required for it, and this is also number of rods not required for here. And this hook length will, both side hook length will calculate automatically, and bend deduction also will calculate automatically. And this inside rod, this is also not required for this, and this is also not required, and center ring size is not required. Then automatically this cutting length for hook and diamond ring it will calculate, and number of rings will be calculated as per our column height divided by spacing plus 1. Then these are all the values. And here 8 mm this ash value is showing because the digit is decimal is gone height, that's why that is showing ash. Then if you reduce the decimal, then the values will shown over here. So this is the dia-wise bifurcation also it will do as per the Excel. Now all this 300 by 600 column we have calculated. Next one more is there, 550 by 300 by 550. So control C and insert in the down and change it as serial number 2. And what is that column number? This is the one more column of another size we are having. This is the PC37 550 by 300. PC37 outer ring, and then same has to be calculated. Number of ring column is 1, 1, 1, and the rings are number of rings as it is same, only size will be 550 by 300, and all other calculations as it is same thing it will be calculated. And next we will go to calculate the circular column ring. So we have to calculate this circular column. So how many circular columns are there in our project? Total 19 number is there. For that only one ring is there, then I am taking only outer ring. So copy this one ring format and paste it over here, and this is the third number. You can write all these column names, PC3, PC4, PC5, what are the column names are there, no? All the names you can write it over here. And outer ring, so total number of columns are 19, and only one ring is the outer, and this is 550. 550 is the column length, no? So I am taking this as a diameter 450. This is dia, and column width means I am taking as a radius. This radius we have to put that radius formula over here. So before that I will enter all the inputs. Column height is as it is 3200. Column height will be as it is like the circular column height. This 3.2 is there, no? That has to be entered over here. That is the 3200 mm. And number of 135 degree hook is 2 number, and there is no 90 degree hook. This will become 0. And dia of the ring is 8 mm, and clear cover is 40 mm. Spacing is 200 mm, and hook length will be calculated, bend deduction will be calculated as per the bend deduction, and here I have to cutting length. Here on in this cutting length I have to add the cutting length formula. So here cutting length formula and here radius formula. So I am going to input the radius formula. Radius formula is equal to this column diameter divided by 2, open bracket, this column dia divided by 2, close bracket, minus cover minus this our column rod dia is there, no, column rod dia divided by 2, close bracket. This is the 181 value calculation for radius. Then everything is same. Then you have to put the cutting length formula. Then cutting length formula is equal to number of rings. This is the number of rings multiplied by 2 pi r, 2 into pi. If you want to pi value, just put pi and one open bracket and one close bracket, then automatically pi value will get take, and multiplied by r. R is this radius, and this 2 pi r have to be close it in one bracket. So this has to be 2 pi r value will come in one bracket, then plus hook length minus bend deduction. So this is the circular column ring length. So then number of rings as it is calculated as per our column height, and total number of bars as per the formula, and unit weight and total weight and dia segregation, everything will Excel will do it. So this is the calculation of ring for our podium columns. We have calculated all the columns at a time. If you want anybody these drawings for your practice, please contact to this number or email ID. I will share with you the drawings for your practice. I hope you people have liked this video. Kindly subscribe if you are not subscribed, and like and share with your friends and colleagues. And if you have any comments, please comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.